Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Cocos Creator and creating a new project. Then immediately make a scene and a root node so you can see results. Import your art and audio into the Assets panel and drag a sprite onto the scene. Once done, add essential components like sprite and rigid body to make the object visible and interactive. Make sure to save the scene, name it clearly, and create a folder structure for scripts and prefabs to keep work organized. You now add behavior. Write a script in TypeScript or JavaScript and attach it to the node as a component, then expose public properties for easy tuning in the inspector. Next, convert frequently used nodes into prefabs so changes propagate everywhere. Once done, wire UI with event handlers, create simple animations in the animation editor, and enable physics interactions if needed. Make sure to use the console and breakpoint debugging to step through runtime logic and verify state transitions while testing in the editor. You finish by opening the build panel, selecting platform targets, and configuring options like debug, minify, and engine stripping for size. Build and run locally first, then deploy to device or browser for real-world testing. Once done, profile performance and optimize textures and audio, reducing draw calls and memory. If something breaks, clear the device cache, enable remote debugging, and inspect console logs. One key tip: if assets don't load, verify asset UUIDs and re-import the problematic files before rebuilding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.